Hello everybody, my name is Josh and I'll be doing the voiceover for the UCSD LaserCAMM software tutorial. So the first step is to locate the software icon on the desktop, which is this gray-blue box that says LaserCAMM 11. Double click on that and you should be prompted with the software startup screen. Now in this class, the four main buttons that we'll be using are the load, combine, view, and exit. So the first button you'll press is load and it'll prompt you to load the DXF. Now you're going to want to find wherever it is you placed your DXF. For me, I've placed it on the desktop and labeled it example for the purpose of this tutorial. So go ahead and open that. And the next thing you should see are the layers that you have within the DXF. Now my DXF had 3 layers: inside cut, outside cut, and score. And yours should roughly follow the same pattern. So the next step we're going to want to do is we're going to assign an operation to each of the different layers. So I'll double click on inside cut and I'll be prompted with the layer settings. Now as the name reflects, it's a cut, so the operation will be cut. The material, since we're working on the clock, will be acrylic, though you are able to choose from different materials, but if you're cutting acrylic, click acrylic. And thickness, again, you're offered varying thicknesses. You have to choose the appropriate one. And for the case of the clock, it's a 1/4 inch piece of acrylic. And you leave power setting at 100 because you want the laser to cut at 100 power. Press OK, and you should be prompted with the estimated time and estimated size of that layer's cut. Press OK and repeat the same process for the rest of the layers. So I'll double click on outside cut, set the operation to cut. Now the other 3 options have already been set for me, so I'll push OK. Estimated time and size, and again for score, I'll do the same. Now for score, you have 5 different options to choose from. 1 being the lightest, most shallow score, and 5 being the darkest, most visible score. Now what you choose is up to you, and I'm opting to choose an intermediate score. So I'll choose a score 3. And again, the other layers are set, the other settings are set. Push OK. Estimated time and size, and you're good. Now the next step will be to combine all 3 of these layers into one DMC. So click the combine button, and you should be prompted with the combine list. Now the order in which you add the files here is very important. As you guys should know, the layers that you want to cut first are all the scores, then the inside cut, then the outside cut. So I'll do exactly that. I'll click on add files. I'll add the score.dmc first. It's listed right here. Do the same thing for inside cut, listed here, and do the same thing again for outside cut. Now that I have all 3 DMC layers here, I'll push OK, and it'll prompt me to rename the entire combined DMC, which I'll title example, just like the DXF. And then I'll push save. Finally, you'll be given the estimated time and the estimated size of the entire final cut. Press OK, and then you're done creating your DMC. Now what you're going to want to do is you want to view the DMC to make sure that it cuts correctly on the LaserCAMM and in a very similar fashion to what your DXF looks like. Now I'm unable to push the view button to show you guys right now because when I do, the program I'm using to record this tutorial crashes and thereby making it unable for me to show you guys. But when you guys do click view and you see that your part looks like it should be cut, go ahead and push escape and go ahead and push exit. And then, are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Now where your DMC is located is wherever it is you saved your DXF. So for me, it's on the desktop right next to my DMC file. Now I'll put this DMC file on a USB, take it to the LaserCAMM machine, plug it into that computer, and then I'm ready to send the DMC to LaserCAMM. Hope this tutorial helps all you guys, and if you have any questions, ask your tutor. Thanks.